Hey, amazing tech enthusiasts and future coding wizards. Are you ready to level up your programming skills? I'm excited to announce something special, a free programming class in 2 languages, English and Hindi, that's designed to supercharge your coding journey. In this class, you'll learn everything from the fundamentals to advanced techniques. We'll cover programming languages like Python, C#, Java, TypeScript, JavaScript, SQL, PostgreSQL, NoSQL, cloud service, data engineering, IoT, and more. Why should you join us? Well, besides the fact that it's free, you'll also get live Q&A sessions with coding experts, lifetime access to course materials, real-world projects to build your portfolio, a vibrant community of fellow learners, and a certificate of completion to showcase your skills. Ready to embark on this coding adventure with us? Join our free programming class now. Just click the link below in the video description to sign up. It's that easy. Also, comment and let us know what topic you want live session. We every day live at 7:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to become a coding pro. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends who are hungry to learn. Thank you for being a part of our amazing community. Let's code, create, and conquer together.